Hi guys, my SmackDown is with ShopRite and Stop and Shop supermarkets. The good website that I've chosen is ShopRite. This is the home screen. What the first thing you see is their Celebrate St. Patrick's Day sign. If you look on the left-hand side, you can see the little Shop tab, Save tab, and Discover tab. When you scroll under each tab, you can see that you could order online. You could see the services that ShopRite offers, like delivery, pharmacy, the mobile app, and you can see gift cards. You can order gift cards online, view your balances, promotions, any questions, and they give you answers. If you go under the Save tab, you can see the weekly circular. You can see your Price Plus Club card. You can see holiday dinner favorites, offers and promotions, and you can also download digital coupons onto your card. If you go to Discover, it will tell you the ShopRite pharmacy. You could get all the different departments, and you could either get a career at ShopRite, recipes, and then what they do in the community. On the right-hand side, you can log into your ShopRite account. You can create an account, store a locator. You can even search the whole website. If you scroll down, you could see that they have order groceries right from online. You can see the weekly circular, digital coupon. And then the bottom, you have the mobile app. And then you see their promotions and all of the different things that they offer. You can see that they can stay connected throughout social media at the bottom, right? ShopRite is very organized in their website. If you press on shop and say ShopRite from home, it will bring you to the screen. You would type in your location. I'm just going to type in mine real quick. And it's going to find me a store. So this is the store that's closest to me. You could online grocery pickup. You can see what fuel centers that they have. They have Western Union, online grocery, Platters, Redbox. All the things are located. This just shows me all the ShopRites that are in New Jersey. You can see the categories. So say I wanted to go to the bakery department. I'll click on bakery. And these are all the things that the bakery has to offer. And you would just add one of these to your list. So I would add that to my list. And it circles it and puts it in my cart. And you could just keep shopping right from here. I've never really been on the ShopRite website, and I am just playing with it with you guys. And it's really easy to use. As you can see, everything's categorized, everything is organized, and it's really easy to find your way around it. Now I'm going to go to the bad website I've chosen is Stop and Shop. As you can see, they're very similar in the way they organize their websites. You can see that this is what they're advertising for Passover. You see that they have Saving Shop and Savory, which is their magazine that they come out that has different recipes in it. At the top right, you can see you can find the store, search the website, their pharmacy, register for a Stop and Shop card, and you can sign into your account. If you go under shop, like I did with ShopRite, they come up with these drop keys. They're not really, they don't really tell you what each thing is, kind of. Like if you wanted to go to floral, we're just going to press on floral. And it just, store pickup, home delivery. It doesn't really tell you that a lot about it. If we go back to the home page, and we're going to scroll down, you just see that the digital coupons, these are all the digital coupons they offer for this week. You could sign up, register for a Stop and Shop card, sign in, and these are like the special ads that they might have for this week. They show Savory, and they show Peepaw, which is their delivery service. You scroll down some more, and it just has some more advertisements and all the stuff that is related to Stop and Shop on the bottom. And you could also follow them on social media, not as much as ShopRite though. I think that this is a bad website because I don't think it's really organized that well. They're kind of throwing a lot in your face once you go onto the web page. You just see like a lot of food and a lot of like digital coupons and to register for a card. It's not really appealing to me. I feel like they're throwing a lot in your face at one moment, where I feel like there's no detail to it. If you go back and look at ShopRite's, I just feel like it's more organized. It shows you all the things that are under these categories and what services they have to offer. It's very, very user friendly. I feel like with Stop and Shop, you're kind of lost. Like you really don't know what to do. I know I really don't know what to do with it. If you do the Peapod delivery, we're just going to go into this. And you have to type in your location. And see what comes up. And this is what it looks like. And I feel like it's just not organized. I feel like it's just a lot. If you don't know what you're doing and you come across this, you're going to be really confused, especially if an older person is going on this website and they see this, they're not going to really know what to do. They're going to be very, very confused. I feel like with ShopRite, you can't really get confused. It's kind of to the point. So this is my website smackdown.